Hi everyone, welcome to another Maker Monday. My name's Susie and today we're going to be doing 3 fun experiments that you can do yourself at home. Now if you do really enjoy these experiments, please have a think about joining our Little Bang Discovery Club here at Dubbo Library. Now group number 2 starts the 3rd of March. So you haven't got too much time and there's only limited spots available. So please contact Dubbo Library really quickly on 6801 4510 to book your spot into the next session of Little Bang Discovery Club. Okay, so for this experiment, we're going to make these little pieces of paper in my tub here jump. Now how am I going to do that? If I were to hold my hand over here, can you see any pieces of paper jumping? They're not jumping. I wonder why that is. What if I was to try this balloon, my hair, and then hold it over the paper? Do you think it would jump then? Let's give it a try. We'll rub it on our hair, just a little bit. Can you see my brand new hairstyle for the day? Now, let's try putting this balloon over these pieces of paper. What do you think is going to happen at home? Can you predict what's going to happen? Let's see. Can you see all those bits of paper jumping up to our balloon? Now that's caused by static electricity. The static electricity is charging this balloon, which is then making these pieces of paper jump. And that static electricity came from the friction caused from this balloon and my hair. Isn't that fun? And you can try this at home with small pieces of paper and a balloon, something that you've probably already got in the cupboard. Are you ready for our next experiment? So for this experiment, we're going to be making a tornado in a bottle. Now to make the tornado, what we're going to need is one of these tornado tubes, but if you don't have that at home, ask your adult at home if you've got a metal washer and some duct tape, because you can make one of these just using that. Another thing you're going to need are 2 bottles. Now this one I've filled with water and I've put a little bit of food coloring in, but that's just so you can see the tornado inside. Okay, I'm going to screw this onto the bottle with water in it and put our empty one on top. There we go. Now when I turn this bottle over, do you think that tornado is going to appear straight away? Let's have a look. Can you see a tornado in that bottle? All I can see are bubbles. What if we give it a little bit of a swirl? Let's see if we can make a tornado appear in our bottle. Oh, nice and big. Can you see that tornado? Now that tornado is caused by centripetal force, so it's making a vortex in the middle of that bottle, which is helping it drain in here. Isn't that a fun experiment that you can do over and over at home? Okay, so this experiment explores the laws of attraction using a magnet. Now this is a pretty big magnet, and if you don't have one like this at home, you may have a really strong one that goes on your refrigerator. So hidden inside this little tub of sand are metal things. So there's things like paper clips, there's a washer, there's lots and lots of cool little things hidden inside. Now if we're going to put our magnet over this sand, hopefully, fingers crossed, all of these metal things are going to be attracted to the magnets on the end. Let's see if that works. Now if we give the sand a bit of a swirl again, let's see what other treasures we can find. Can you see our paper clip? Lots and lots of things. Look how full our magnet's getting. Can we see everything? Now we could keep digging in here all day and finding lots and lots of cool things. You can try this at home in your sandpit or in some gravel. There we go, let's see what else we can find. Ah, look, I think the ends of our magnets look pretty full. Well, I hope you enjoyed those 3 fun experiments, and I hope that you give them a try at home. Now, don't forget, if you did have a lot of fun with that, register for our Little Bang Discovery Club at Dubbo Library soon, and also have a think about borrowing some of our discovery boxes that are available for loan for 3 weeks. You can take them home and have fun with them for 3 whole weeks. Now, we've also got some really fun books that you can borrow as well. Some like this one here, Exciting Engineering Activities, they take that scientific process just a little bit further so you can have even more fun with them at home. Thanks everyone. Bye.